Hi everybody and welcome back. It's me, Chris Fisher, RPT, known as the Blind Woodturner. If this is your first visit, hello, you are most welcome and hope you enjoy what you're going to see and enjoy what Matthew's going to film today. So my first sort of like commission from a family relative that is sort of like a bit of production turning, and it's my Uncle Colin, and he wants me to make 14 wooden pegs. So this piece of sycamore is going to get milled down on the bandsaw, and then I'm going to turn it and using the pen friend and the labels, I've got the dimensions recorded onto that. So hope you enjoy it. Bit of production turning, 14 pegs for my uncle. So let's get started. So, not there yet.
Yeah.
Okay folks, there it is, number 1 of 14. This today has taken me a huge amount of time for a few reasons. First of all, I've done my blank way too big, so spent too much time roughing it down. So next time I mill a piece down on the bandsaw, I'll use a smaller section. So that and then this has taken a lot of talking tape measure action, a lot of caliper action, a lot of vernier caliper action, and a lot of parting tool action just to arrive at that. But what I have got now is a template, so this will help me now put score lines to help me mark out the transitions. So in a way, time spent doing this. Obviously there's nothing I can do. I have to spend time with the parting tool, getting to the diameter of the head and the shaft with the parting tool and the calipers. But that's it really. Oh, trap door's open. So yeah, I've enjoyed it. My brain has been working a large amount this morning. Very basic mathematics of course, but when you can't see and it's all trying to process things, it just adds time to it. But anyway, number 1 of 14. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Matthew is actually having his last day now, and then he's off for his winter break. So he's doing a bit of travelling. Amsterdam and Belgium, you said, Matthew?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, this is it. There you go. So until the next time, and until Matthew gets back after Christmas, keep on turning.